How does a modern aircraft with 239 souls on board disappear without a trace? This isn't a riddle or a plot twist from a science fiction novel. This is the chilling reality of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370. On March 8, 2014, the Boeing 777 took off from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, destined for Beijing, China. A usual uneventful flight turned into one of aviation's greatest mysteries. The aircraft disappeared from radar screens at 1:21 a.m., not even an hour after takeoff. Despite the early hour, weather conditions were clear and all seemed well. It's important to note there was no distress signal, no indication of trouble from the crew or the state-of-the-art aircraft itself. Silence was all that was left of flight MH370. In an age of global surveillance and advanced technology, how could this possibly happen? The question that has baffled the world for a decade, and the mystery we are about to delve into. In the aftermath of the disappearance, one of the most extensive search operations in history began. Nations from around the globe, including Malaysia, Australia, China, and the United States, pooled their resources and expertise to scour the South China Sea and Indian Ocean. The enormity of the task was daunting, with thousands of square miles of open water to search. Despite the unprecedented scale of the operation, only a few fragments of the ill-fated airliner were ever recovered. The rest of the Boeing 777 and the 239 souls it carried remained shrouded in mystery. The lack of substantial physical evidence further deepened the enigma surrounding flight MH370. It was as if the plane had simply vanished, leaving no trace of its path or final resting place. Despite the tireless efforts of many nations, flight MH370 seemed to have vanished into thin air. The lack of answers has led to a breeding ground for theories and speculations. The enigma of flight MH370 has given rise to myriad conjectures. One perspective points towards pilot suicide, suggesting the pilot deliberately veered off course and plunged into the ocean. Another theory speculates a possible hijacking, with the plane possibly being commandeered and flown to an undisclosed location. Yet another conjecture delves into the realm of catastrophic mechanical failure, hypothesizing the plane may have suffered an unforeseen malfunction, causing it to plummet into the sea. Each theory has its proponents and detractors, its pieces of supporting evidence, and its unanswered questions. Without the plane's black box or substantial wreckage, these theories remain in the realm of speculation, unproven and inconclusive. Until the day the truth is uncovered, the disappearance of flight MH370 remains one of aviation's greatest mysteries.